Hi, Civics. Sorry I'm not there. My son is sick. So today you will start to look at the roles of the presidency in the United States. First, you'll go do daily current events and grab your notebooks if you haven't. I put them in the middle of the room. So I'm going to have you do that now and pause this. Okay, now that you've done daily current events, right now you're going to, there's a tab open on off my website on the smartboard, and there is a quote that you're going to write a response to. There's a series of questions, and then you'll discuss this as a class. So I imagine this will take 20-25 minutes or so. Being a president is like riding a tiger. A man has to keep riding or be swallowed. So you copy that quote into your notebook. Copy that quote into your notebook, write today's date, and then answer the 4 questions underneath. After about 5 or 10 minutes of answering that, then discuss it. Pause and do that now. Okay, so then when you come back, I want you to review the 3 constitutional qualifications for being president. Those are listed beneath the questions. And then discuss the 2 questions in blue. What do these qualifications seem to mean, and what are some of the unwritten qualifications? And then you can look at some findings. Pause this now while you do that. Okay, now that you've done that, now you're going to use the sheet from the Today's Basket. It says Roles of the President at the top. First, do a read aloud of the 7 roles of the President. After you do that, you'll go around. There are stations both in the room and in the first part of the pod and above the stairs, the usual places that we work. And each station has like a time slot. So like 9 o'clock, meets with congressional leaders about pizza, whatever. And then you and a partner or 2 partners. I don't think any groups of 3. I think groups of 2 and 3 would work for this. Beyond 3, that's too many. Discuss which role or role seems to best fit. Write it in the sheet, and then write your explanation. Do not turn that in today. Just hold on to it because we'll pick up with this on Wednesday. If you finish with that and you have any extra time, there are 2 things that you can make sure that you have to me. The first one we did before break, how a bill becomes a law, current events investigation. That was about the Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act. If you haven't turned that in, finish it. About half of you turned it in. And then the other piece on the Constitution document analysis, you were all supposed to turn in the last 4 questions on the back. So you would rip that off, put your name on it, and turn that in. I realized that based on our class discussions of current events those couple of days right before break, some classes turned them in, some didn't. So if you still have those things, finish them, turn them in. All right, I should be back tomorrow, and hopefully you're all doing good. Hope you had a good break. Bye.